Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be filming something really smoking hot, something sultry, something very sexy and seductive for you guys. This is the full glam makeup tutorial and I am so happy to be able to show you guys how you can achieve this look. So I'm just going to let the makeup do the talking, and as usual I'm going to list all the products that I used in the description box, and I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please ask me your questions in the comment section. If there are parts of the video that you don't understand and you want more explanation, please let me know in the comment section. Enjoy! So to kickstart the look, I am going to dip my pencil brush into this dark eyeshadow here. This is the Pat McGrath single eyeshadow dark matter, and I am going to just watch what I do. You'll understand it better. So I'm going to apply it along the crease area towards the outer corner of the eye. After that, I'm going to be applying this shade here, Reverse, from the Culture 2 palette. This is like a golden brown, or should I say like a copper brown, copper golden brown shade. I'm going to be applying it to the center of my eyes. So for blush, I'm going to be applying the Blush Rouge Volume 3. I'll be applying this particular shade. Then for highlights, I'm going to be applying Copper Glow, which is from the Elizabeth Arden blushes. This is like a blush toned highlight. So I apologize for not really talking much in the video. If you check my previous videos, I always explain the products that I use at every stage. So you guys can go back to my previous videos and check them out. Nothing has changed. I keep using the same products with little additions, but then I'm going to include everything that I used in the description box. So do well to check it out. So for the lips, since my eyes are already smoky, I decided to go for a simple lip, just a lip liner and lip gloss, but instead of the typical brown lip liner, which I feel might actually be good for this, I decided to opt for the black eyeliner, this is similar to what I did in one other video, the Lizzo inspired makeup tutorial. I think you guys should go and check it out. I'll put the link up for you guys. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. This is actually my black eye pencil, but I'm going to be using it as a lip liner. So this is what I'll be doing. Smack my lips together to blend it out. Then for gloss, I'm going to apply Oasis all over my lips. This is from Juvias, please. One of my favorite lip glosses. On top of it, I'm going to be applying Hot Chocolate from Fenty Beauty. So guys, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This look is so smoking hot. Like I can feel the heat. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, especially if you're new to my channel. Okay, spread the word, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.